Hello, and thank you for using our Gold Cup hydrostatic drive sizing tool. With Gold Cup applications typically being more complex than open circuit designs, we wanted to create an easy to use tool that would select the best fit Gold Cup pump and motor based on the customer's operating requirements. So let's start by looking at the basic diagram representation of a typical hydrostatic drive. Looking from left to right, we start with the prime mover. Your most common prime movers would be an electric motor for industrial application or a diesel engine for mobile applications. The prime mover can then drive the pump directly. However, we've also added an option to include an input and/or an output gearbox to your drive. This will allow you to use the Gold Cup products over a much broader range of operating requirements, especially when it comes to output speeds and torques.